Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. My Mama Angela is back in the kitchen today to show us another one of her signature super easy recipes. Ma, say hello.
Ciao a tutti, voglio bene a tutti. I love everybody.
And what are you going to make today, Ma?
Pasta alla pizzaiola.
Oh.
Ma tu voleva pizza, a pizza, a pizza. Capummarola in coppa, capummarola in coppa. Okay.
And what is pasta alla pizzaiola? Why don't you tell them what it is?
It's pasta pizza style with pizza toppings.
So it's technically, well, we're making spaghetti, and it's going to be a pizza-style sauce.
Yes.
So very quick and easy, tomato-based sauce, a little anchovy, a little garlic, a little oregano. We're going to top it all off with some delicious fried breadcrumbs, because who doesn't like fried breadcrumbs? And it's going to be fantastic.
Yes,
And it's quick.
Quick. That's the key word.
What are we going to do first?
First the breadcrumbs. So you just sprinkle some oil over here. And now the breadcrumbs in. Okay.
I love fried breadcrumbs on pasta.
Oh yeah. It gives that crunchy
That
taste.
nice crunch texture.
Yes.
So good. And she's just gonna fry these up a little lightly.
Little bit, yeah.
Once you see these starting to turn, a darker brown, you want to get them out of the pan as soon as possible. You can't leave them in there because they're gonna burn.
Oh no.
And then it's a disaster.
Oh no.
Right, Ma?
No, I know. No, I did enough disasters in the kitchen. No, enough. Okay. Okay. Always turn. Don't neglect the breadcrumbs.
Don't neglect your breadcrumbs. Very important.
No, absolutely. You know what? The truth is, when you cook, you have to be by the stove all the time. You can't.
Really?
Not take
You
a
can't
break.
leave and go have a cigarette?
No. It's like having a little baby.
You never used to do that, right?
No. You don't leave the kid alone, and you don't leave the stove alone. Never. See?
It smells so good.
Yeah.
Toasted breadcrumbs. And here they are, starting to just turn.
Yes.
Keep them going. Keep them moving.
Now, before we burn them, we have to save them, Rossa.
Okay.
Operation.
Wait, give me the bowl, Ma.
Yeah.
Get the bowl.
Okay. Yeah,
Oh,
ready.
There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay.
Very nice. Oh, nice color. The right color.
Beautiful.
Just what I wanted.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to put these off to the side.
Yes.
And you're going to move this pot, the pan?
Here. Yeah. Now we put oil. We make nice designs with oil. Extra virgin oil. It's the base of everything.
Is it, Ma?
Oh, yes. When you cook, you always have to start with good oil, especially when you make any sort of sauce. Okay, benissimo. And now we have to wait for those magic little bubbles. Once they appear, we put the garlic.
We put the garlic, and we're going to add a few of these. These are my Nonna's little pepperoncini. You could just use some red pepper flakes. That's if you like a little spice in your pasta dish.
Yeah, you need a little spice.
You like it spicy, Ma?
Oh, yes. Yes.
All right, let's start breaking these into the...
Otherwise, it's boring. You need some spice.
That's a good.
Yeah, that's a good. And
Mettiamo
yeah. Okay, we could put the garlic. Taste of garlic, I love it.
So starting to smell so amazing already.
Yeah.
I'm in love.
It's the garlic. Oh.
How come you don't say garlics like Nonna?
Come on, I'm another generation. Look, come on.
Another generation?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And now
We got some
anchovies.
We got some anchovies packed in oil. Now, if you're one of those people that's like, anchovies, stop right there. Thank you very much. Don't be that way, because anchovies in a sauce like this don't have an overtly fishy taste.
Yes.
They taste actually really, really delicate, and they kind of liquefy in the sauce. You're not going to see them. You're barely going to taste them, but you're going to taste something delicious.
Oh, yes.
So let's put them in.
Let's put them in, the anchovies. Now we cut them.
Okay.
Yeah, they're going to disappear.
Oh, it smells so good.
Right? They disintegrate then.
So once the anchovies break down,
Oh, yeah.
we can add in our tomatoes. I'm going to
yes.
show you guys what tomatoes
Wow.
we're using.
Yeah, good.
So these are actually a canned cherry tomato from Italy. They have the skin still on. They're full of pulp. They're really, really delicious. I love these. These are available in our online shop.
Or you could use fresh tomatoes if you want.
You could use fresh
Yeah.
cherry tomatoes.
Yeah. But, you have to cut them. It's more work. This is the easy way out. Right.
I know, Ma. You always love yourself an easy way out.
Oh,
don't
yes.
you?
Yes. Look. See? The anchovies?
Look at how nicely
it's
these
like-
melted.
Yeah.
So, so good. Now, again, for the full written recipe, just head to cookingwithnonna.com. We have everything listed there step by step. Okay, you ready?
Ready. Let's
Okay,
do it.
one,
1, 2,
two, three.
3. Yay.
Ooh. Doesn't that look beautiful?
Yes.
Okay.
We have to crush them a little. Yeah.
Oh, this looks so good.
Yeah. It's better that you crush them. It's fun.
It's fun, Ma, I know. And
Yeah.
we're also adding some capers to this.
Yes.
I love me some capers. I'm a briny girl. I like salt everywhere. But if you're not crazy about them, leave them out. It's okay.
Oh, yes.
It's okay.
No.
Nobody dies.
A little bit of salt.
Not too much salt, because what we put
Yeah.
in here, the anchovies and the capers are salty.
Yes,
So you're
yes.
going to taste it,
Just
and
a
you're going to
little.
decide if it needs salt.
Yeah.
So she's going to go through and crush all these little tomatoes.
Yeah.
Oh, that one exploded, Ma.
Yeah.
And this is such a quick sauce that this is going to cook. In the time that this is going to cook, we're actually going to cook the pasta.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So water's boiling.
Quick, nice, and easy. Okay, now, yeah. Put the oregano.
Some delicious
Oh,
oregano.
yeah.
And that's it. That's your pizza sauce.
Yeah.
How
Done?
easy is this?
Well, we have to put the breadcrumbs at the end.
At the end. At the end, we got to toss. We got to toss all together. Okay, boss.
Yeah, you don't have to overdo it with the oregano. Just to give.
So delicious.
Yeah. Delicioso. Okay, time to put the pasta.
Okay. Ooh, some really
organic pasta.
really
Lovely.
nice spaghetti.
Yes.
Give me the forchettone.
Eccolo. Agli ordini, signor.
And in the time that it takes to cook the spaghetti, the sauce is going to be done too.
Yeah.
And
So,
we're going to eat. So this is really a very quick meal. I'll lower it just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we're going to eat, right, Ma? Because I
Yes.
need a glass of wine. I don't know about you.
don't tell Nonna, Kabi.
I know.
Okay, let's keep it.
You
secret.
tell her everything.
No, not about the glass of wine. Only the things that I could tell her. You have to use psychology with people, capite?
Okay.
Always make them happy and tell them what they want to hear
Mm-hmm.
and what they want to know. Capisci? Okay.
Got it, Ma.
The way I cook, it's easy and it's also fun, Rossella.
Ma, you have fun doing anything.
Oh, yeah.
You have fun breathing.
Yes, mamma mia. Life is short. We have to do the best of it. Rossa, people that are depressed, do they gain anything? No. They make it worse. Me, I laugh about every situation. You know me.
That's true.
Yeah.
100% true.
Yes.
Very correct. Okay, so our sauce is perfect. Our pasta is ready to go.
Yes. Wow.
Ooh, look at that spaghetti. Oh, madon. I think this is a two-tool job. So
yeah.
if you guys have watched, you know that I hate draining pasta the traditional way because I feel like you just get rid of all that precious pasta water. And it's such a schlep, you know? You got to drag it to the sink. It's heavy. It's steam in your face. Why?
Yeah, no, this is the easy way out, Rosa. Better this way.
I know. I guess it's hereditary, ma.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Benissimo.
Okay, we got all the pasta. It's always a good day when you get all the pasta out of that pot. All right. Okay. You want to toss this together. Pasta's super al dente, so you want the last 2 minutes of cooking to happen in the pan in the sauce.
Because if the pasta is not al dente, you've ruined it.
It's a no good.
No good.
It's just a no good.
Yeah.
Oof. Okay, that looks beautiful.
Ah, delicioso. But
So
you see
good.
how fast we did it, right?
I know, ma. So
Unbelievable.
fast. Unbelievably fast.
Yes.
Like the wind.
Just the way I like it.
Look at how gorgeous
Yes.
this looks. Ugh, I'm in love. I got a taste. You hungry?
Of course.
All right.
What do you think I do the cooking show? Because I want to eat.
Let's get it. All right. Hold the dish. And I'm gonna put a nice scoop of pasta. Oof.
Vabbè.
Oh, madonna.
Okay, use the other.
All right.
Okay, benissimo. Rosa, I need more sauce.
All right. I'm sorry. Let's get the other.
Yeah. Yeah. That's right.
Oof.
Okay.
How delicious does this look? And we got to put the final touch.
Oh, yes, the best part. The breadcrumbs. Oh,
Okay. This looks amazing.
wow.
Oof. How do you think? You ready?
It looks good, Ra. Com'è?
So good. Oh my God. I know that it's spaghetti alla pizzaiola, but it actually tastes like a focaccia, like a Barre style focaccia, because it's got the topping of the tomatoes, the oregano, a little caper, you know. Not all, it doesn't have exactly those tastes because, please, those purists over there will kill me, but very similar. I love, love, love this dish. So good.
Molto buono.
So, so good. Amazing. Oh my God. I could eat the whole.
No,
What?
don't overeat, Rosa.
What are you saying? I'm fat, ma?
No, but, don't overdo it.
You think I'm fat?
You had eaten pasta before, come on.
Thanks, Ma. I love you too.
I had 2 plates of pasta.
Thanks for always being my mother. And thanks for being on the show and showing us another great, quick, and easy recipe. I love you, Ma.
I love you too.
All right. We'll see you guys next time.
You're my only daughter, capito? I have to love you.
Yeah.
Ciao, ciao a tutti, voglio bene a tutti.